What's up? I'm Troubleshoot. In this super quick guide, I'll show you the location of the mayor's house in Schedule 1. At a point throughout the story, you'll be asked to visit the house to complete a deal, and in order to do so, you'll need to find your way all the way across to the extreme northeast side of the map. Opening up the map, right over here is where we want to head. This building at the end of this road over here with this dock. So, heading all the way across here, you'll find this small white building here next to these high-rises, and knocking on the door, you'll see there's quite a few inhabitants. This is the mayor's house. When you get told to come here to deal with someone, you'll need to head across to the left-hand side of this house, and just behind here is where you'll find what you're looking for. It's that easy. Anyways, that's really it. You now know the location of the mayor's house and the secrets around it. Anyways, hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.